Not Umseleku showing Tirelo some flames. Yes, we are back with Izingani Zestembu. Welcome to our house. Tirelo is crying. Why is Tirelo crying? Tirelo is crying because Usbindi was able to go and lobola Amahle, do right by Amahle, but till to date he has not done right by umntwana ne crash. Remember, they need 3,300 for crash every month, which Usbindi said he will not pay because he does not have money to pay. Now that we understand, that we are in tune with, but what we don't understand is how is he not prioritizing Tirelo's needs and Tirelo's requests and making sure that he is prioritizing that of Ulobola Amahle. Now that Amahle has been lobolat, the question is who is going to be Umamkulu? Remember, Tirelo did mention on her live on TikTok that her parents are actually the ones that said she must not be lobolat. It's too soon. She is not ready. Now we get that it's too soon. She is not ready. Here is the question. While it's too soon. She might not be ready. Does time stop and wait for Utirelo to be ready? Will Usbindi wait for Utirelo? Or will Usbindi move on? Reality has shown us that Usbindi has moved on, but we know that they might have a twist in the end. What we are waiting for now is for them to go on the vacation that Oabongo has organized so that we may see nicely Uguti how is Amahle and Tirelo going to get along. At this point, we are watching Istembu Sigasbindi, not necessarily Izingani Zestembu. I don't know how you guys are feeling about this because there is nothing much we can say about Mpilo, Lwandle and Abongwe. What we can say about them today is that they enjoyed their yoga and we hope that on the date or on the vacation they bring us something better. For now, all we know is that they are all single. Maybe they might find a love rather on the trip that they are going to. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.